welcome back to the channel. This garden is so sparse, but there are tomatoes. So I'm not disappointed. Although I'm disappointed in the slugs. You will see some of these stalks do not have leaves. I am losing the leaves to these big slugs. They're not African snails. They are literally big types of slugs that I never saw before. And they just eat the leaves. So I'm just waiting to one of these tomatoes turn orange, and I'm going to plant them. But we are still getting fruits, tomatoes on them. So I'm feeling quite happy still. So today is planting the new plants that just came up in one of the curry tree pots. So you will see that in a minute. There was a lot of stoppage and starting back with the garden and doing things with a garden, visiting persons. Yes, sickness is around more, and I am just very weak and tired. So in the new year, God willing, and Yahweh give me more days, I will be pushing harder how I can to visit more gardens. I hope to get some farms that will be willing, and remember, this channel is not only for gardening, it's to show different hobbies for persons with disabilities. As you will see, I have 2 videos about persons with disabilities and what we love to do, the dreams we have. And that was really good, and I want to show more about it. So you will see that in the new year. 2 more videos about persons with disabilities and even the senior citizens. So keep watching and be inspired. So we'll go to the next side, and you will see how my mini plant nursery is going. Remember, keep these tomatoes in your prayer. I am so happy they are producing. Don't worry all the space in here in the pot. I will find something else to put in there too. So see you in a minute. Excuse the background. Construction is in progress. So this is the mini plant nursery. And what is this? Correct? I don't know. But this was one of the plant pots that I had in a curry tree. But these plants overtook it. We do not know what it is. We are thinking it's mustard bush, but we don't know. So I'm going to separate them. We're hoping to put them in the bigger planter pot that was originally here, but I still don't want to lose my little nursery, so I might move a lot of this over to the other window. I will repot this curry tree, and this is a little baby cactus that was this one, and they're growing nicely. One of the dill died, but this one is growing nicely, and this pineapple is growing nicely. The neem as well, but that I could put that outside. So, and one the cactus, so I can make some space for the planter pot. So we'll see that. We'll see. So we will see you in a minute, in a moment. So the planter pot is back, and this is what it was growing outside. Weeds. So now it is back to its home base, and I have moved all the other plants in the other window. So that is still a nursery. Yeah, I feel so happy about the different plants that I have growing by my window. So you will see in a minute these plants repotted in this pot and this one. Unfortunately, I haven't done anything as yet because of the constant rain. So I clean around the plants, and they're doing okay. I have another pot that I have to put earth in, so it says earth for this pot and more earth in this planter pot, but we are having a lot of rain, so I'm not really bothered because it's rain. I love rain, but you will see in another video the plants being repotted. So unfortunately this video you won't see it, but it will be done. I wasn't able to do it the same day because my body was hurting times 10. I was really done, and today I'm not 100% neither, but I said I have to get this video out. So hopefully next week you will see these plants in their new home, and you will see there are no more pots here, so I'll show you their new home as well. So everything is over here. The curry tree, cactus, the dill, the pineapple with the other tomatoes. You see they are turning, and some are very big. Focus, please. Very big, and they're starting to get back their leaves because I found a solution to combat the slugs. I have a lot of big pet bottles, so I cut them and I cover them over at night, so the slugs cannot reach them. I'm going to harvest those 2 tomatoes soon, as I had 2 others that I just harvest to put down and start new plants. As you see, as I tell you, a lot of rain. A lot. And I mean, like just no more rain. And I said I would just record this before another set of rain come down. So until next time, keep planting.